Tesla's Model S and Model 3 can now be purchased using the digital currency Picoin through the Picing Shop platform on the Pi network. This marks a significant step in cryptocurrency adoption, enabling Pi holders to acquire Tesla vehicles without having to use fiat currency. This article will explore the impact of this move in the context of cryptocurrency adoption and the development of electric vehicles. Tesla's move to accept cryptocurrency payments signals a paradigm shift in how we interact with digital currencies. Previously, cryptocurrencies were primarily seen as investment assets or speculative tools. However, with more major companies like Tesla beginning to accept cryptocurrency as a payment method, the role of cryptocurrency is evolving into a legitimate means of payment. Pi Network has positioned itself as one of the cryptocurrency projects focused on inclusion and user-friendliness. By adding Tesla to the Picing Shop platform, Pi Network may attract more users interested in using Picoin to purchase everyday goods and services. This could bring significant growth in both the number of users and the value of Picoin. Tesla's presence in the cryptocurrency world indicates that the electric vehicle industry and blockchain technology are becoming increasingly intertwined. By accepting payments in Picoin, Tesla not only expands its potential market but also solidifies its position as a trailblazer in adopting new technologies. This move may encourage Tesla's competitors to also consider integrating cryptocurrency into their business strategies. While Tesla's move has garnered much attention, there are still challenges to overcome. One of them is the volatility of cryptocurrency prices, which can cause significant fluctuations in car prices. To address this, companies may need to develop careful risk management strategies. However, with risk also comes opportunity. Integrating cryptocurrency may open the door to further innovation in how cars are purchased and financed, as well as enabling broader access to electric vehicles for those who do not have access to traditional banking systems. Tesla's move could also have significant long-term implications for the evolution of the global financial system. As more major companies begin to accept cryptocurrency as a payment method, digital currencies will become an integral part of the global financial system more quickly. This could change the way we think about money, payments, and asset ownership fundamentally. With Tesla Model S and Model 3 available for purchase using Picoin, we see a convergence of two major trends: cryptocurrency adoption and the growth of electric vehicles. This move not only reflects innovation in financial technology, but also illustrates a paradigm shift in how we view value and payments. Over time, we may see more major companies following in Tesla's footsteps, paving the way for a new era of more inclusive and efficient digital payments. As of March 2024, Tesla's Model S and Model 3 became available for purchase using Picoin through the Picing Shop platform on the Pi network. This development marked a significant step in cryptocurrency adoption, allowing Picoin holders to acquire Tesla vehicles without converting to traditional fiat currency. This initiative reflects the growing integration of cryptocurrencies into various sectors, including the automotive industry, and highlights the expanding utility of digital assets like Picoin.